Today we are long arm quilting two beautiful, luxurious, patriotic lap quilts. Pin on the backing, straighten out the batting, and then lay on the beautiful quilts. We're doing two today side by side. These are gorgeous. I love them both so much. Today, my friends, we are putting these two beautiful patriotic lap quilts on the long arm to be finished. I am so excited with this. So to long arm our patriotic lap quilt, we're putting two on the long arm at the same time. And our first question is, do I use the white, the blue, the red, or the variegated red, white, and blue? Let's pull them off the spool, lay them down, and decide. To determine our colors, we unwind some of the thread from each of the spools and see how it looks on all three colors, the white, the red, and the blue. How does each color look on each spot? I was thinking the red on the red quilt and the blue on the blue quilt, but I think we're going to go with the variegated thread because I really think that pulls it all out, and I'm loving it no matter where we put it. Now we're going to pin the top on the backing. And we are pinning down the bottom of the quilt onto the back or the bottom leader for the top fabric. And then of course the batting is there and the backing is already secured. Stars and loops too, my friends. Gives you loops, gives you stars. Absolutely stunning on this wheelchair lap quilt. Patriotic red, white, and blue quilt. Beautiful. And when you're doing a quilt, I like to have less than 2 inches in between any quilted area. Some people like it looser, 3 to 4 inches, but I think this is the ideal size to give lots of nice body as well as cushion, softness, and yet lots of stitching. And our patriotic lap quilt has been quilted. We're now putting the binding around it, and we are using the long arm gamel to help us with the binding. And we pin it across, and then we stitch it And then we're combining it on the other side here. And I am so excited that this beautiful quilt is looking almost done. So both beautiful lap quilts have been completed, both very different styles and yet very similar styles. So I am very excited about this. Thank you so much for joining us today. And we are now going to cut these off the long arm and put our binding on the second side, and we are golden.